Hey YouTube, Brandon from RC Flyer here. Got a new toy. Got the Redcat Ascent-18. This thing is awesome. Comes with a brushless system, hobby wing. It does come with metal servo gears. And it comes with an included bud, which I didn't know. I did get the red one. This thing looks awesome. It's a 1/18 scale by Redcat. The only thing it requires is 4 AA batteries for the remote. Everything else it comes with a charger. It's 4-wheel drive, brushless, carbon fiber chassis, and they say the weight bias is 60/40. We're gonna check that out, and I'll put it on my corner weight system, and we'll check it out. Again, I got this at Anderson RC. Again, support your local RC store. If you're ever in the Carolinas, check out Anderson RC. Those guys are awesome. All right, guys, now let's just open her up. You got the truck, the radio, battery and charger, and we'll open her up and see what we got to look at. All right, now that we did the unboxing, here's the truck. Again, the Redcat Ascent Apex. Body just comes right off these clips, just like this. Oh, actually, you got body clips right there, so I didn't see that. But then it comes off like this, and it has a little joint. And then in here, let's see what we got. Just opened it, so it's all new to me. The warning label, this is the battery that's tied up right here. I believe it's a 2-cell battery with a JST connector. And the battery is right there. It is a 200 milliamp 3-cell battery, I believe. Again, you got your brushless system. You got your mini 24 ESC. All right, and then you got your portal axles on front and rear. Again, your metal servo. It does have up front just here. This is the only thing that's brass. You can get the brass for the portals. I'm probably going to keep this stock for the most part. Maybe I'll add some weight, but we'll see. Now let's check out the weight bias and see how this thing's set up stock. All right, guys, it's on the scales. Now let's go over to the computer, and it does say out of the box 60/40, and they weren't lying. These are the numbers for this truck. Total weight is 440.5-ish grams. 266.5 grams in the front and 174.1 in the rear, and it is totally 50/50 left to right. So yeah, this is the perfect setup right out of the box that Redcat has done a nice job with. All right, the full view of it. I'm not going to put there's a process to put the back on, and I don't really want to do it. I think it looks awesome like this. This is the controller. Not bad. Feels a little cheap, but it's not bad. It's 4-channel, I think. Yeah, 4 channels. If you had LEDs and whatnot, you could set something up, I guess, with some scenarios for this. Again, this is my first Redcat purchase, so I'm liking it so far. These tires are awesome. We're going to check out the articulation on this in a minute, guys. And also, yeah, just do a little test run in my shop and see how it is. All right, we're going to test the articulation. Whoop. Went a little fast there. And you can see the wheels going up on the rear. But yeah, that's some good articulation. Wow. Hopefully you can see that. We'll do it again. Do it on the opposite side. See how the articulation is. It does have a punchy throttle, but I'm gonna have to get used to it. Check that out. Wow. That is some good articulation right outside the box. This is completely stock. We'll bring her around here. We'll see how the rear does. And the rear does just as good. And it's teetering. It's not the best setup to do this. Does it hold on? Nope, it's falling. But yeah, awesome. Feels like it's